Good afternoon, Ms. Rosa. My name is Nadia Rahmasari, and here I would like to explain to you about the discussion that I have chosen before, which is about Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson, or Michael Joseph Jackson, who was born on August 29, 1958 in Gary, Indiana, is best-selling American singer, songwriter, and dancer that known as the King of Pop. Michael Jackson began his musical career with his fellow relative in Jackson 5. His career began in 1964, and it is only 6 years old. The group, led by Jackson's father, worked hard around many clubs and bars, doing a mixture of their Motown hits. They got the attention of the record, and in the 1968, it was signed with a Motown record. And Rolling Stone magazine writes that Michael is a miracle with an extraordinary musical gift. Michael stands out for his extraordinary enthusiasm and the soft and contagious sounds of music. In the late 1970s, Michael increasingly wanted to pursue a solo career, and with the help of a musical producer, Quincy Jones, Michael produced a solo album named Off the Wall, and the album was a huge success and selling more than 20 million copies. And in his second solo album, Thriller, launched Michael Jackson to the position of the most famous pop singer in the world. And this album became best-selling album in history, producing 7 of top 10 hits. And the album remained on the chart for 80 weeks, holding number 1 place for 37 weeks. In the 1980s, Jackson created a Southern California farm now called Neverland. It is a fantasy retreat for shy and quiet players who were never really comfortable with media attention and rarely gave interviews. In 1984, Jackson was seriously injured while making an advertisement film for PepsiCo, and he suffered burns on his face and scalp. And at the pinnacle of his creative and commercial play, Jackson had signed $5 million support agreement with the soda giant previous year, and Jackson underwent surgery for repair the wound, and is believed to have begun experimenting with plastic surgery around that time. Around the end 1980s, rumor began to support Michael Jackson that he is lightening the color of his skin to appear whiter and slept in the special room to increase his age. And in 1993, Jackson agreed to a rare television interview with Oprah Winfrey to quell rumors, and he explained that the discoloration of his skin was a result of a skin condition known as vitiligo, and he opened up about the abuse suffered from his father. And in 1994, he married Lisa Marie Presley, and it just lasts for 2 years, even though they remained friendly after divorce. And in 1996, he married with Deborah Rowe in Sydney, and they had 2 children through artificial insemination that names Michael Joseph Prince Jackson Jr. and Paris Michael Catherine Jackson. And then when Rowe and Jackson divorced, Michael received full custody of their 2 children, and Jackson would go on to have a third child, Prince Michael Blanket Jackson II, with an unknown surrogate. Allegation of child abuse against Jackson first appeared in 1993 when a 13-year-old boy claimed that the music stars like him. Jackson is known to have lived with a boy at Neverland Ranch, but this is the first time public accusation of wrongdoing. And the police searched the farm, but they don't found any evidence to support the claim. And the following year, Jackson settled the case out of the court with the boy's family. In 2003, Jackson experienced more legal misery when he was arrested on the charge of having an incident with a 13-year-old boy. And facing 10 counts, he was charged with obscene behavior with minor, committing obscene behavior, giving alcohol to facilitate sexual harassment, and conspiracy commit child abduction, false imprisonment, and extortion. Toward the end of his life, he was increasingly troubled with money problem and ill health. He is increasingly become dependent on various drugs, which are said to have contributed to his poor health and premature death. Jackson died in June 25, 2009, at the age of 50 after suffering a heart attack at his home in Los Angeles. CPR's attempt failed and he was rushed to the hospital where he died in the next morning. And in February 2010, an official coronary report revealed Jackson's cause of death and was acute propofol poisoning or deadly overdose on cocktail prescription drugs including sedative midazolam, diazepam, and lidocaine. On July 7, 2009, a television warning was broadcast to fans of the King of Pop at the Staples Center in downtown Los Angeles, while 70,500 free tickets are issued to fans through the lottery. An estimate 1 billion viewers watch the memorial on TV or online. Michael Jackson family held a private funeral on September 3, 2009 at Forest Lawn Memorial Park in Glendale, California, for close family members and 200 guests. I think that's all my explanation about Michael Jackson. Thank you for attention and good afternoon.